All right, today's July 21st, 2021. We're here to see train 658 running from Penn Station to Port Jefferson. Long Island Railroad train 658 running today with DM30AC 512 on, actually DM30AC 506 leading, and 522 on the rear with 8 C3 bi-level cars. Train's running about 2 minutes late. It's actually just about coming down the hill right now, about to hit the Northern Boulevard crossing as it's passing over North Country Road. 660, which is behind that train, is running with DM30AC 512 leading, 516 on the rear with 8 C3 cars. And 658 is now hitting the Northern Boulevard crossing at this moment. Yeah, size actually reached Penn Station on this one. This train will be going to Stony Brook and Port Jefferson. This equipment will be laying up for the night. This equipment should be going back out tomorrow morning. It's train 605, and then train 660 returning is train 660. DM30AC 522 on the rear. Alright, train 660 is about to arrive here as the gates have just gone down here at Northern Boulevard. And this should be DM30AC 516 leading 512 on the rear with 8 C3 cars. And this train 660 is now on the arrival. DM30AC 516 leading. has the right destination on the ASI. The 658 prior had Penn Station. This one here has Port Jefferson on it. This equipment will also be laying up for the night. This equipment is slated to return as train 615 tomorrow morning.